Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and this is how to fix your broken laptop. This laptop won't work anymore, and it just won't turn on, so I'm gonna fix it. So what you guys want to do is grab a screwdriver. I know this looks slightly different from a screwdriver, but it should work. And what you want to do now is you want to just flip it over here, and as you see, this is the bottom of the laptop. What you want to do is you want to try open it. This is a hammer. I recommend a screwdriver, but how you want to open it is just try to get it open any way you can with a screwdriver. Usually there's little screws in there, but I don't have a screwdriver, so let's try open this. Alright. It didn't work out too well. Let me just keep trying. Alright. Now that we've got it open, let me just set this down here. We have it opened up right now. There's the hard drive. You just want to take this hard drive out now. And it is harder than I thought. Let me just set this down. Alright, I decided to try open another thing here. There's this little part right here. Alright, this is known as the RAM of the laptop here. What you want to do is just take this out. Alright. Here's the RAM. I'm a professional at building these and taking them apart. Here's the battery right here. We're gonna take this off. Yeah, we'll take this. I think this should do. Well, I actually got the battery off. Kinda. Alright. Now we have the battery off. This is the battery. Let's try to take this apart right here. You know what? I think this is good enough. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to open up a broken laptop and fix it. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and there's more videos to come.